Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, here it is. It's Friday. I'm taking a day of vacation, and I've been working on the fence project. That's right. We're back at the corporate offices of Heritage Farms, Texas, and we at least have the wrought iron fence installed. We got the post set. We got the panels in. It's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with things. So a couple of things we talked about was how easy it is to install these panels right now using self-tapping bolts. And what's really cool about it is there's a little sleeve that runs in here. So if your measurements are off half an inch or anything like that, that's all right, because you can see right here, for example, it just slides inside of here and you've got room to adjust. The other thing is this black North Texas sole contracts and expands so much that it gives the fence the ability to move a little bit, which is kind of nice. What a beautiful, beautiful March day, man. Spring is in the air. So really change the looks of things. As you can see, when you come up here in the driveway now, it's got the nice wrought iron panels. I'm pretty pumped. We got to figure out our gate. There's still a ton of work to do, and especially a lot of digging that I'm not looking forward to. It's got to dry out a little bit because right now it's just too muddy to mess with. But hey, we got phase one done. I'm pretty pumped. We got, I got to figure out what I'm going to do for the gate right here. Well, I know what I'm going to do for the gate, but just have to get to it. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update. Hey, we're making progress here at the corporate offices. So now, the rest of the story, we have to get from that corner right there, all the way down the red tip hedge, all the way across the back. This fence here will come out once that's completed, and then we're moving on. And then Coco, the company dog, will have, there she is right there actually. Hey Coco, come here, say hi to the camera. So anyway, she's all pumped. She's ready to get in the truck. Watch this. Hey Coco, you want to go to the farm? You ready to go? Get in the truck. Let's go. Get in the truck. And off she goes. So, hey, she's ready to go to the farm. All right, guys. Hey, if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. We'll keep updating you. Thanks, guys. Hello. Hey, Scott, Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, it's Sunday afternoon. Looky here, this is what we're working on. Apologize guys, the shadows are killer. All right, so we're back on the fence project. So we're wrapping up. Earlier in the video, I showed you how to do the, how we actually installed the panels, got them done, got the brick columns in place. Everything's looking pretty good. But let me show you what we did today. This is kind of blood and guts right here. But what you're looking at, this is the rail, or in essence, the mini sidewalk that's going to support the gate. So when the gate's in the open position, it'll actually slide to the right, and that's where it'll go. So you'll have basically a concrete sidewalk that's about, I don't know, 12, 14 inches wide, 6 inches deep. You can see we got good metal in there to support it. And this pad right here, so right down the middle of this thing, you'll actually have, you see the little center squares, you're actually going to have a metal track that's like 3 inches wide that has a ridge in it, and that's what the wheels of the gate will ride on. And then this right here is the little pad, so you know your track will go right down here, and then the actual motor will sit right back here on this section right here. So what we did here, you can see we ran the electrical, at least got it to that corner where we could hook up the power to the post. The bad news, there's nothing easy about this, man, nothing. So right here, that little expansion joint, we're gonna actually take a concrete saw and we're gonna make that joint about 1 inch wider than what it is at the moment. And that's not going to be fun, but I have the right tool to do it. And when we do that, we'll be able to put a 1/2 inch conduit, run at least a single phase wire through it. The wire will come over here to this side. We'll turn 90 degrees, and then we'll have power back to our unit. We have these solar lights on the column right now, which are working great, but we may actually hardwire some lights at that point in time. The bad news is once we run that wire across that expansion joint, I've got to come all the way up to that point. So there's about 40 feet of trenching that has to be done. We'll have to actually tunnel underneath that. Not the end of the world. It's just work. It's just work. Always something. But anyway, hey, the project's moving along. We do have to build a gate. Gotta have a gate here, 58 inches wide. But anyway, progress. Got rid of the basketball goal. So there you go, guys. Hey, hit the thumbs up. Let us know what you think. So this is part 2 of the wrought iron fence project. It's gonna be nice, but man, infrastructure. Nothing's easy about this. But hey, we're gonna keep plugging away. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Glory be to God.